Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. We're diving deep into the world of AI, and more specifically, the groundbreaking TinyWow AI website. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech discoveries. Now let's jump right in. So what exactly is TinyWow AI? Well, it's a revolutionary website that's changing the way we interact with artificial intelligence. TinyWow AI is a platform that offers a wide range of AI-powered tools and features that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. From content generation to image processing and more, this website has it all. First up, we have content generation. TinyWow AI can automatically generate high-quality articles, blog posts, or even product descriptions. It's a game changer for content creators and marketers looking to save time and energy. Next, we have image processing. TinyWow AI can enhance, resize, and even generate images from scratch. Whether you're a designer or a social media manager, this feature will simplify your life. Now that you know what TinyWow AI can do, let's dive into how to use it. It's incredibly user-friendly. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on the TinyWow AI website. Don't worry, there's a free plan available. Once you're logged in, choose the AI tool that suits your needs. Whether it's content generation or image processing, the choice is yours. Provide the necessary input data, such as text or images, and set your preferences. You can even specify the style or tone for content generation. Hit the Generate button, and within seconds, TinyWow AI will work its magic. Once the AI has done its job, you can download the content or images to use as you please. So, what are the benefits of using TinyWow AI? First and foremost, it saves you time and effort. No more spending hours writing, editing, or designing. TinyWow AI does it for you. It's cost-efficient. Small businesses and entrepreneurs can access advanced AI tools without breaking the bank. The output is of high quality. The generated content is not just coherent, it can also mimic various writing styles. TinyWow AI is available 24/7, making it incredibly convenient for users worldwide. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some TinyWow AI users. User 1. I used to struggle with content creation, but TinyWow AI has made it so much easier. I've seen a significant increase in my website traffic and engagement. User 2. The image processing feature is a game changer for my design projects. It's like having a graphic designer on call anytime I need it. In conclusion, TinyWow AI is the future of AI on the web. Its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and cost efficiency make it a must-try for content creators, businesses, and anyone looking to harness the power of AI. The possibilities are endless. So are you ready to explore the world of TinyWow AI? Head over to their website, sign up, and start experiencing the future of AI for yourself. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find TinyWow AI as exciting as we do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. As always, stay curious and stay creative. See you next time.